Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert any file format to any other file format using DGB.lol. Ladies and gentlemen, once you jump into DGB.lol, on the left hand side you'll see tools. You're going to open that up, and from tools you're going to come down here and you can see all of these amazing tools. We are looking for the one that says image type converter. Let's go ahead and let us open this up. Now this is the simplicity of it. All we need to do is now upload the image that we would like to convert. You can see that there are all of these formats supported, so there really are quite a bit. You can also bulk upload, so a max of 25 files at 25 megabytes each. Let's go and upload. Alright, so this is currently in a PNG format, and now you can choose the output image type. So as you can see here, there are quite a few different options, so go ahead and choose whichever option you would like. Let's say, for example, we want it in a PDF. I know it sounds ridiculous, but just for example purposes, go ahead and click on submit. Now what will happen is you will now see on the left hand side my files. You're going to go ahead, click on this, and you'll be able to see everything that you have created. Currently you can see that this is in the queue, and this is the image converter. We're converting it to PDF. So all the information is in here. Now, once it is complete, you will see a download button, and you'll be able to download it in the format that you have converted it to.